Okay, so this is the original face, this is the body, and this is the result. Okay, let's take a look at another example. This is the original face, this is the target body, and this is the result from Gemini. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap the face or replace a face from one photo to another using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. But there is one important thing that you need to know. This is actually not my first video about this particular topic. Previously, I have made a video about how you can change the face using Gemini AI, and at the time I was using Gemini Nano Banana model, not the Pro version, and at the time the process is basically taking a bit longer because there are other tools that you need to use, but I still think that this method will yield better result compared to the method that I'm about to show you in this video. But the benefit of using this new method is that it is a lot more convenient, it is a lot faster, and the result could be quite similar to this method. Anyway, let me show you how you can swap faces using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So let's open Gemini. And again, we are using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. This method cannot be applied to the regular version of Nano Banana. Now for this example, I'm going to use, let's say, this woman. So this is going to be the face that I use, and I want to put this woman's face to this body. So that's my goal here. Now let me just upload the picture of this woman first, the original face. Let me just put it right here in Gemini, drag and drop. And after that, put the face of the target body. So the order here is very important because it will be related to the prompt that we are going to use in this video. So after you have uploaded the first picture and then the second picture, you can copy this prompt. So it's very short. You can find this prompt in the description down below. Just copy and paste that into Gemini. And click Tools, click Create Images. Make sure that you're using the thinking version, and you can send the message. So essentially, in the system, according to Gemini, it is going to be identifying this picture as image number 1 and this picture as image number 2. And that's why I use this prompt. Insert the face of the person from image 1, which is this image, into the body of the person of image 2, which is this picture. So the order is very, very important. If you mess the order, then AI will confuse about what is the body, what is the face that you actually want, you are referencing in your prompt. So make sure that the order is based on what I explained earlier. Now, there you go. We got this picture, and as you can see, now we got the Asian woman with the body of the blonde woman, and I think it looks great. It's almost seamless. It is not quite perfect though, but I think it is definitely a lot better than if I have to do this manually using, let's say, Photoshop. And by the way, as a recommendation, you can also add something like, let's say I'm using this prompt. If I want to be more consistent, then you can use something like this, describing, let's say the woman is Asian, and then you can describe the person as, let's say, blonde or something like that. So it's actually going to help AI even better identifying the characters that you're referencing in your pictures and your prompt. So that's just another trick to make the picture to be more consistent. But yeah, that's basically how you can swap the face using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a great day ahead.